Coldref cough syrup, a medicine trusted by many, is now at the center of a tragic public health crisis. Since early September, at least 14 children have died in Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan from suspected kidney failure. And the common link, Coldref cough syrup. Tests by state authorities found the syrup, manufactured by Stresson Pharma, contained 48.6% diethylene glycol, far exceeding safe limits. DEG is a toxic chemical that can be fatal even in small amounts. Now, several states like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Kerala have banned Coldref cough syrup. In India, states have the authority to ban the manufacture, sale and distribution of unsafe medicines under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and the Drugs and Cosmetics Rules 1945. Now, do you know cough medicines are generally not recommended for children under 5?